there. Right now, I'm gonna just talk about what making the fear based on your fears of the factor of what you're trying to do, based on get yourself out of it of your situations. Basically you're doing the same routine every day. If you do the same routine, you are comfortable. You're content to with your same positions, what you're doing, so you don't have to be out of your comfort zone. But most of the time, you're dealing with the fear of something that you are not knowing what you can be successful in. You can be successful online, you can be successful on offline. It doesn't matter what goals you took, and you can strive to be better. Then you are knowing you still dealing with that fear of what you could be doing in the future. Your goals are what to make you can make things happen for you. If you're really seeing yourself as a change of how you can change your fears factor, got to get out your comfort zone. You got to get out that comfort zone. What I meant by that, if you growing your business, you trying to grow, get more customers and anything about based on word of mouth, you already start working online already by most of people of how to figure out to grow your business. And most people don't understand. Me doing my landscaping, how I generated income from customers, and it was so worked hard to get them, and how to focus on them, how to grow it. It's because I had to get out of my comfort zone. If I wanted to grow a bigger brand, I had to get out there and market myself. I had to smile, make cheese smiles. I usually don't smile, but I smile. You know, it just happened to just to tell a customer that, hey, I can do the job and I'm here for you, you know, just hire me. And that's how you got to get out your comfort zone. If you have to set yourself up, you have a system already made for you, but you out of fear of your fear of not knowing the next steps, keep learning and keep generating how to figure it out. But you already have a system made. If you have a system already done, is in play, all you have to do is put it to work, you know. Just to have the understanding of what is dealing with these fears or factors of what life we comfort. You don't know if you're going to be succeeding something if you don't do nothing, because you're still in that same time zone of like, hey, I'm better like this. I just go to work every day. You know, it's kind of saying what you wake up in the morning, get out of your bed, you do the same routine, and you still not dealing with the, oh, sorry about that. The same routine you're doing over and over and over, and you're comfortable with it, but because you know you're going the same routine, that nothing could happen. But every day something can happen. People lose their jobs daily. Some people income is not the most. Lights might go off, the phone might go off. You never know. Something comes up, and you always want to have prepared yourself for the next steps, because it's going to put you out of your comfort zone. But basically, you want to set yourself up when you're learning these strategies and moves and how to figure out how to grow a business from scratch, from ground up, based on you word of mouth. People know you. Just give them to tell you, give you reviews or something, some positive reviews. Some of them might be negative. Hey, you had to take it. Take it comes part of the game of it, and you're growing yourself with it. But as you grow bigger and bigger and bigger, and people are understanding what are you growing and what are you trying to do and what you're trying to change, you're changing yourself as you're helping others at the same time, and knowing what is the things you can say about how to grow and stay out of that fear. Because each step you take, you slowly learn something over. Based on when you're a baby, you have to learn how to walk. But most babies don't have that fear because they don't have that self-conscious of if they're going to hurt themselves or not, you know. But understanding the fear factors, and that's what you need to get out of to help you to grow something bigger and something better for yourself, to be more successful in your life. You have to step out into the comfort zone, out of your comfort zone, because once you start focusing on what is the steps you're trying to do, at the same time you're still putting yourself in that fear factor. Now, eliminating all that based on how to grow your business and how to grow yourself. There's so much books out there and so much mindset and things to keep focused on track. What is your goals? You have to write your plan down and have to focus on it. What is your main objective of it? Based on helping others. It's the key to be together, to work together, and endure your life based on what experience you're learning from it, to be a better person. It don't come with a manual. I know that much. Life do not come with a manual. It don't tell you you're going to go through all these trials. It's just the way the universe is. You got to go through it. You're going to have to go through it. That's going to make you stronger, better, and much stronger. The understanding how to work that fear to stop, it's based on procrastinating because you never done it before, and that now you have to step out of the zone. The based on focus on what is your goals of it and what is your ambitions, just trying to figure out what you can do. I hope everybody understanding what I'm trying to say. You can drop something in the comments saying, yes, I understand. You have to be out of your comfort zone and stop having worrying about the fear, your fear factors, based on you doing the same thing over and over and over. Of course, you're not going to have fear because you're doing the same routine. But if you're trying to grow yourself and bigger and better, you can always know that you are making a difference in your life and somebody else's life. Because you stepped out of your zone of your fear, and it's showing the next person that you succeed into it. Of course, they're going to take that step and learn from it. But based on a business-wise aspect, we all show trials and errors and learning and trying to gain it and grow back from it. Pick up again. It's going to some concept of some people fail. Some people look at it, oh, you failed, you didn't succeed. You don't worry about them individuals. You always going to be better than that individual because you tried it and they did not try it. Because that's based on the opinions and all that. You don't need to listen to all that negativity. So don't procrastinate and eliminate them fears of each individual person, because most of the time you took the chance to try it and they're not going to try it. So, hey, you eliminate one fear to take the next step. That's how you slowly pick yourself up and keep going with it and succeed in your goals, man. Like I said, I'm Aaron up there, that guy. Hey, that's who I am. Hey, all I'm here to just give you inspiration that you can do better and you can succeed in your goals. You can have something that you put your mind into it. When you focus on what you need to do and set yourself up and stay out of your procrastination mindset or your fear factor, there's a lot of stuff on YouTube to get your mind focused on the game plan, what you need to work on. Now, hey, I can tell you people about how to keep growing, keep growing, keep growing, keep growing. That is the key. Everybody, we keep growing together, work together to be together to have something better. That's what you have to do sometimes. Team up, work with a person, a partner up, or accountability partner can help you out with that to keep, hey, stay on this track, stay on this track. You're doing good, you're doing good. Keep motivating people, just keep focusing on the goals and the outcomes of it. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say on everything about the fear factor, procrastination, and anything else based on growing yourself or growing your business. You already tried it, they haven't succeeded, so keep working with it. Just keep trying to do your best at anything you're doing in life to be successful, because each step you try, another individual is coming behind you trying to learn the same thing. All you got to do is keep them going. Just stay positive with it. Keep on pushing. That's my philosophy, motto, whatever you want to call it, to your success. Let's say it all together. Keep on pushing to your success, and that is your goals, and that is your dreams to be more successful in life. All right, I'm Aaron. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all on the other side. Later.